Hi there, it's Martin, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to find the right journalists using Propel's outlet search feature. This will help you connect with journalists who are relevant to your pitch, so let's get started. First, let's talk about how to search for publications. Start by navigating to the Discover tab in Propel. Next, click on the Outlet section to begin your search. Here, you can search for an outlet in two ways. You can either type the name of the outlet in the Name field, or enter the domain or URL of the publication in the Domain field. Once you've entered your search criteria, click Search. Now, let's view the outlet page. Click on the name of the outlet, and a new tab will open, showing you the publication's latest articles. You can check out these articles to get a feel for the kind of content they're covering. Next, let's find the journalists. Click on the Journalists tab to view a list of the journalists who write for this outlet. Now, to add a journalist to a media list, simply click the name of the journalist, which will take you to their page. Then click Add to Media List and select the media list you want to add them to. And that's it! You've now found relevant journalists based on the publications they write for and added them to your media list. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at support@propelmypr.com.